The hot water dilemma. Can it damage frozen pipes?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common winter issue that many homeowners face, frozen pipes. More specifically, we're going to explore the question, can pouring hot water on frozen pipes cause damage? It's a common method people think of when they're trying to thaw their pipes, but is it the best or even a safe approach? Let's dive in.
Why do pipes freeze?
Before we can understand the impact of hot water on frozen pipes, we need to understand why pipes freeze in the first place. Pipes freeze when the water inside them cools down to the freezing point, which is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually happens in uninsulated or poorly insulated areas of a home, such as a basement or garage, or in outdoor hoses. When water freezes, it expands, and this can put significant pressure on the walls of the pipes, particularly if the pipe is already full of water. Over time, this pressure can cause pipes to crack or burst, which can lead to costly water damage.
What happens when you pour hot water on frozen pipes?
Now, if pipes are frozen, the first instinct might be to pour hot water on them to thaw the ice. However, this could actually be detrimental. The rapid temperature change can cause thermal expansion and contraction, potentially leading to further stress on the pipe walls. This is especially problematic if the pipes are made of metal, as they are more susceptible to rapid temperature changes. The sudden heat can cause the ice to melt too quickly, and the resulting water could potentially cause pressure buildup that could lead to a burst pipe. It's a similar principle to why you're advised not to use hot water to defrost your car's windshield. The rapid change in temperature can cause the glass to crack.
What's a better approach?
A better approach to dealing with frozen pipes is a slow and steady method. Instead of using hot water, use a hairdryer, heat tape, or even warm, not hot, towels. Start from the open faucet and then move towards the frozen area. This allows the water to flow out as the ice begins to melt. This process might take time, but it's far safer for your pipes and could save you from a costly repair bill. And of course, preventing your pipes from freezing in the first place is the best solution of all. You can do this by keeping your home warm, insulating pipes, and letting faucets drip slightly during particularly cold weather. So, to answer our initial question, yes, pouring hot water on frozen pipes can cause damage. It might seem like a quick fix, but it could lead to more harm than good. Always opt for a slow and steady approach when dealing with frozen pipes, and remember, prevention is the best remedy. Stay warm and stay safe this winter. We hope this information has been helpful.